When we're done building a PC, we send it to the test bench for stress testing. But what actually happens there? Today, you'll get a unique glimpse into the world of stress testing PCs here at SharkGaming. We always test the physical durability to make sure that the integrity of the build is intact. We make sure to test its memory.
What's the first thing you remember? We need to dig deeper before the great boot. Do you remember?
And of course, the boot time.
I expect to see faster boot times from each and every one of you, unless you want to spend the night mining bitcoins in a sauna. Do I make myself clear?
How well does it hold up in a stressful interrogation situation?
Interrogation of the aquarium case. Look, I'm gonna need answers. We can do this the easy way, or we can do this the hard way. I just need to know where are the installation files. They're not in the download folder. We need to know where. Tell us where the installation files are. I swear to Gabe, and I'm gonna waterboard you.
Turn off the camera. What? Turn it off. Even our gear, such as the gaming mice, gets stress tested before we ship them out.
Embrace the fear. Control the fear. The cat is not the predator. You are.
We don't want to ship out weak PCs. We want them hard, tough, resilient. And we believe that our stress testing procedures provide just that.
We don't want no weak PCs, stress testing to make them mean. We don't want no weak